Welcome everyone to another tips and tricks video. Today in this video I like to share with you guys how to reset your any smartphone. This is my Realme 5 and my Realme 5 running Android 10 with Realme UI 1. So at first go to your phone setting, then additional setting, then backup and reset, then click erase all data, then select erase all data. Now your phone start reset your all data and photo and video. So now my phone reset is complete. So now I am opening my phone. Factory reset is very important. If you using any phone more than 1 year, you can see your phone running very slow. If you reset your phone after 3 months to 6 months, you can get more performance with your old phone. So this is very important. I saw that my phone running very slow. That's why I decided to reset my phone. And I am also decide all of you guys to sharing how to reset your any smartphone. I know all of you guys know that. So after reset my phone performance is pretty well. I think it's more than better for before. So today video about that. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. See you next time to another video. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S. Allah Hafiz.